Welcome to the DSpace 7 tutorials from DSquare Technologies. Let us browse DSpace 7 to retrieve contents using different parameters. Click on all of DSpace link at the top of the home page to expand the Browse menu. Standard DSpace provides content browsing on title, issue date, author, and subject metadata parameters. These parameters can be customized though. Let us start with browsing by the title. You will see contents listed on the page alphabetically. This list will have all items on which you have access rights. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to see all items, and click on the next button to go to the following page. You must have noticed different types of each item. This is an entity feature in the DSpace 7, helping users profile items as per its nature. We will explain it in the tutorial focused on this topic. But, for now, let us get back to the rest of the features on the Browse by Title page. Click on any alphabet at the top of the page to browser titles starting with the selected alphabet. For a demonstration, we will click on H. Further, if users know few letters of the title, please type them in the search box and click on the Browse button. Click on the title of the target item to see details. Let us browse contents by issue date now. Users can adjust the contents view by selecting the number of items per page and sort order. Let us browse contents by issue date now. Click on issue date to browse contents using this parameter. Content listing on this page is similar to the Browse by Title page. Hence, we will focus on functions that are specific to this page. Click on the Choose Year drop-down to select a year. The content list will be updated with items having selected year. In addition to the year, users can select the month from the drop-down to narrow the list. The content list will be updated with items having selected year and month. Users can also enter the year, month, and date in the free text field and click on the Browse button to shortlist items. Click on the Browse by Author link to list author names. Click on any author name to list items having selected author name. Click on the Browse by Subject link to list cataloged subjects in the repository. Users can click on any subject to see items having selected subject. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. We are listening. Please reach us, and we will be happy to assist you.